It's the blizzard of 2011!
Yes, Tiara.
Whoa!
Recording, Mom.
At school, I said we're gonna
It's recording.
die.
But then the red light isn't on.
That we're not. And then he said,
So they're saying 25 inches.
I'm gonna find Tiara.
look at that! Oh, yes!
Yeah, look.
Hey, Kipper. Kipper. Whoa. Kipper. Big guy. Big guy.
What do you guys think?
Oh. Kippy. Kippy.
Kipper doesn't know what to think.
It fills your boots. Kipper. Oh, yeah. Kipper. It fills your boots.
Let's step out.
Ow. Look at me. Hi. Hi, boy.
Oh, there he comes.
I want to see the kids.
Aww.
You were good. Kipper! What?
Oh, Kipper! Oh, man.
Kipper! Kipper, Kippy, Kippy, Kip, come on, Kip, Kipper, Kippy, Kip, Kipper, Cooper. Kipper.
Take number 2, Blizzard 2001. Say hi, Shahana.
It's not 2001.
2011, sorry.
Kipper, come.
Say hi, Asha.
Hi. Come play. Sit.
There's Kipper and Tiara.
Hi.
There's Neil. And Bella.
Go, Asha.
We can always take him in if...
And there's Nana, who's about to snow blow.
Snow blow. Say hi to the camera. Bella!
That's
You're all wet.
And here's Mommy.
Oh.
Put Sahana in a snowbank and see how she
In a what?
in a snowbank.
There we go. Everybody's digging out.
Look at Tahana. Look at him. She's scared. Some lady.
Okay, you guys are on video again.
Tiara! No! Don't try she's wrinkled.
You're on video.
She's wrinkled.
What's that, Todd? I know. So we gotta, whatever we gotta do now.
Hey, Neil. Hey, Neil. Come over to her.
Kipper. Snow angels in the middle of the road. All right. Woo! Hi, baby. Can you come back through the tunnel this way? Oof. Well, you climbing? Here she comes. Sahana. look up it. Oh my goodness.
Shauna, open yours.
There's Neil. He's trying to shovel. Hi, Asha.
Hi.
It's the loungers.